We're going to do a little report here on Adam Schiff. Lefty Winger reporting on Congressman Schiff. Adam Schiff has also been hypnotized. Schiff is now working for the president. And his role is just to tell lies. Schiff is there to lie about everything. You've heard the expression, if the truth be told, Schiff just lies all the time. And he is very, very bold. His job is to lose all credibility as a committee chairman. As for those in his party to follow along and to repeat the lies that Schiff has told. So they are all singing the same old song. Judge Janine said he was a lying sack of Schiff. I think she's really being very kind. The judge is just like our president. You never have to wonder what's on their mind. And the president is very pleased with Schiff, even though he calls him a pencil neck. But things are working out as planned. Their impeachment will be a shipwreck. And the president will be reelected in 2020. I don't think it'll be a close race because the true colors of the Democrats are showing. They are already beginning to lose face because working people are smart enough to know you cannot have everything free. Somebody's got to work and pay the bills. And for workers, that's very easy to see. Socialism wants to promise everything free, even though practically it does not make sense. So I'm going to vote for someone who understands economics. I'm voting for President Trump and Mike Pence.